Hi children, welcome back to my channel. We are going to do the long questions with answers of the lesson The Rat Trap by Salma Lagerlof, which is for class 12th. All the questions are board examination questions, so please study them carefully. In case you find that this video is useful, then please subscribe to my channel because all my videos are exam oriented and you will definitely benefit by them. Today we are going to deal with the 5-mark long questions with answers. I have given you the link of only the characters of the lessons. There is one video. This is going to be extremely important because many questions are asked about the character of the people in the lesson. The other link is the video that only deals with the 2-mark questions which were asked in the board exams. Question number 1. The peddler refused to accompany the ironmaster but accepted Edla's invitation. This is by far the most important question that you have to study. It has been asked so many times in so many of the years that this question's answers you should know very well. When the ironmaster mistook him for his old regimental comrade, he invited the peddler to come to his house with him. The peddler refused as he did not want to go with the ironmaster. He had taken the 30 kroner from the crofter and could be caught. However, when Edla went to invite him, she realized that he was scared and hence assured him that he could leave their house whenever he wished. She spoke to him kindly and with a lot of compassion. The fact that she came and was so insistent that the peddler accompany her came as a surprise to him. Her sincerity and kindness made him finally accept the invitation which he had refused earlier. Question number 2. Edla proved to be much more persuasive than her father while dealing with the peddler. Comment. The ironmaster came that night for inspection. On finding the peddler sleeping on the ground, he mistook the peddler for his regimental comrade. He invited him to his house for Christmas. He tried to assure the peddler that there was no one except he and Edla, but the peddler refused the offer. The ironmaster left the forge. Later, Edla came to invite him. She noticed that he was afraid. She spoke to him kindly and promised that he could leave after the Christmas dinner. Her insistent and compassionate manner made him give in to her wish and he accompanied her to her house. Question number 3. Why did the crofter have so much confidence on the peddler? How did the peddler betray him? The crofter was a lonely man. He had no wife or children. He lived alone. Hence, he was happy to welcome the peddler. He made porridge and carved tobacco for him and the peddler. He told him that he originally worked in Ramsdow Mills, but after retirement, his cow gave him a lot of milk and he made 30 kroners the previous month. He showed him that he kept the money in a pouch which was hung on a nail near the door. After both the men left the next morning, the peddler returned to the house, broke the window and took away the money from the pouch. Thus, the peddler betrayed the crofter. Question number 4. To be grateful is a great virtue of a gentleman. How did the peddler show his gratitude to Edla? Answer. The peddler had cheated the ironmaster and his daughter Edla to believe that he was the ironmaster's old regimental comrade. When they realized the truth, the ironmaster was angry. Edla, however, insisted that they had promised the peddler a Christmas meal and so she requested the peddler to stay. She treated him with kindness and dignity, though she knew he had cheated on them. She gave him his Christmas gift and also offered that he could come for Christmas again if he ever wanted a good sleep. Her warm, compassionate nature changed the peddler completely. He now wanted to lead an honest life and didn't want to let down Edla's trust. To show his gratitude, he gifted Edla with a rat trap as her Christmas gift and returned the 30 kroner which he had stolen from the peddler. Question number 5. How can you say that the characters of the lesson, The Rat Trap, were lonely? This is also a very important question. The characters in the lesson, The Rat Trap, were very lonely and were trying to reach out to people in different ways. The peddler was lonely. He had no one who was his own. The world hated him and he in turn hated them. It gave him pleasure to think ill of people. The crofter was lonely. He had no wife or children. He happily invited the tramp who knocked at his door for shelter. He shared his porridge, tobacco, and also his secrets with him. The ironmaster and Edla were lonely too. The father told the peddler that his wife was no more and his sons did stay with him. Both he and Edla wished they could share the Christmas with someone. Edla treated the peddler who had cheated them with affection. She treated him with dignity that is given to a guest. So here we see that all the characters were lonely. Question number 6. Given his temperament, Edla's father would have failed to reform the peddler. How did his doctor succeed? Answer. Edla's father, the ironmaster, was an honest man. He ensured that the iron he shipped was of the highest quality. It was natural that he saw red. Saw red means was angry. When he realized that the peddler had cheated on him by pretending to be his old regimental comrade. He threatened to call the mayor, but when the peddler told him about how the world was a rat trap and anyone could be caught, he changed his mind. He also felt that the mayor should not be disturbed on Christmas. However, he did not forgive the peddler. He wanted the peddler to leave his house. Hence, with his temperament, he could never have reformed the peddler. Edla, on the other hand, was full of compassion and understanding. She did good without expectation. She wanted to keep her side of the promise by bringing the peddler some happiness. This changed the peddler completely and reformed him. Children, with this, we come to the end of the 5-mark questions with answers. Thanks for watching.